Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mix song. First, select your preferred digital audio workstation, such as Ableton Live or Logic Pro X, to begin. Import all your individual audio tracks into the project, ensuring they are properly named and organized. Group similar instruments together, perhaps using color coding, to maintain a clear and efficient workflow. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth mixing process, saving you valuable time later on. Next, focus on balancing your track levels. Start by setting each fader to 0 decibels and then carefully adjust volumes to achieve a harmonious blend. Implement proper gain staging to avoid any digital clipping, aiming for peaks around -6 decibels. Then, strategically pan instruments across the stereo field, placing elements like drums and guitars to the left or right, while keeping your lead vocal firmly in the center for maximum impact. Now, let's refine your sounds using equalization and compression. Use EQ to carve out space for each instrument, cutting muddy low mids or harsh high frequencies. Boost specific frequencies to bring out the character of a snare drum or a bass line. Then, apply compression to control dynamics, making quiet parts louder and loud parts softer. Aim for a gain reduction of 3 to 6 decibels, ensuring a consistent and punchy sound. Finally, it's time to add depth and polish with effects and automation. Incorporate reverb and delay to create a sense of space, perhaps a short reverb on drums and a longer one on vocals. Consider subtle saturation to add warmth and character to your mix. Then, automate volume, panning, and effect parameters to create dynamic movement throughout the song. Before exporting, listen on at least 3 different playback systems to ensure your mix translates well everywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.